Hello and welcome back to Twisty Cuisine. Today we're making some delicious, easy to make pasta recipe that doesn't require a lot of time and it doesn't require any sauce. Let's get started. For this we would need one bell pepper diced. Choose a color of your choice. We will also be using the seeds of the bell pepper to get a nice aroma. Now cut 1 pound of chicken boneless into small pieces. Now add this chicken into heated 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Stir it a little bit, and now we will add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Again, we will want to stir all these ingredients while we add them. And add half cup of water. Leave it for about 5 to 7 minutes and cover it up. Once the chicken tenders and there is a little water left, then add the bell pepper and stir it a little bit. Afterwards, add boiled macaroni. We're using large elbow-shaped macaroni. Recommended is to use small. Now we will add our seasoning. Half tablespoon salt. Add 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon vinegar. And finally, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, which is optional. Now give it one final stir so that all of these spices are mixed. Chicken pasta is ready to be served. It is a very simple and easy recipe to make. It doesn't require a lot of ingredients. Please give this recipe a try and let us know in the comment section below. If you like our video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do so and hit the bell icon to receive our new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Thank you.